To move the layers around, make sure you are in the Move tool, and also make sure this button is clicked. That is the Auto Select button. It could also look like this. Auto Select, and please check that. With that function activated, you will be able to just click and drag to move those pictures around. And you will also notice that when we click on each image, that layer is highlighted. If we click on that, you will notice layer 2 is highlighted. When a layer is selected or highlighted, we can make further changes to it. For example, if I want to make this picture larger, go to Edit, Free Transform, and you can see this box again. You can drag the corner to scale the image or drag anywhere outside this box to rotate the image. After you make the changes, you can click on the check mark again to commit the transform. If you want to go back to the state before this, you can go to Edit, Undo, Free Transform, or use Ctrl-Z as a shortcut. If you are using a Mac, I think it's Command-Z. So click on that, it will go back to this stage. Also, we can take a look at the history panel. Here we can see all the steps we did before, and then if you click on Free Transform, it is this step, and you click Move, it is the step before that. So it will record each step we did to this image. If I want to select part of the image, for example, I only want to select the flower part here instead of the whole image, I can use this rectangular marquee tool. So let's select it and use it to draw a rectangle shape over the flower. You can click inside the rectangle shape to move the box around to adjust your selection, or you can click anywhere outside the box to redraw it. Or if you want to remove the selection and start over, go to Select and Deselect. It also has a shortcut Ctrl+D. We will also use this shortcut a lot. So select, deselect, then the selection is gone. Now let's repeat and make a selection that we want, and go back to the Move tool and then click and drag that part to our document. So that is our flower selected. To transform the selection, if you remember, we need to do Edit, Free Transform, and then let's scale it to anything you like and commit the change. Let's repeat the process on another image. So for example, if we want to only select this flower here, click on the marquee tool and create a little box around it. Then use the Move tool and then drag it to this picture. Ctrl-T to scale it and then commit the change.